G'day everyone, welcome to Pay It Forward, a little chat from the Patchwork chair. I'm actually running a little competition, a Christmas competition, and this competition is open to everybody who is on our Facebook page. So if you haven't joined, come along and join. It's only open to non-masterclass followers. So sorry masterclass guys, but this one is just to celebrate my Pay It Forward family who have been with me for so long. Thank you all so much for your support. The competition is this: I want you to post on our Facebook page your best Lisa Pay Christmas project. It has to be one of my free patterns. Now I've got quite a few Christmas projects there now. It can be any one of those, or some of you are very clever and have made up some of my other patterns in a Christmas way. Now Mr. T and I are going to be judging them together. He's going to have the final say, which rarely happens in our house, but I'll let him have this one. I think it will make it more fair. So what we're looking for is great attention to detail, a whole lot of love put into the project, excellent workmanship and care, and a beautiful photograph. So I'm going to give you 2 days. So at the end of this video, entries will be open. I'm going to give you 2 days to get your entries in, and I will be announcing that winner on the Facebook page. Now the prize, because you are non-masterclass people, the prize will be your choice of any one of my masterclass projects, tutorial and free pattern. So you'll have access. I will send you all of the links and that will be your project to keep, and you can make that up. So it's a good opportunity for you to have a little try of masterclass. So, and you can choose whichever one you like out of everything that I've done so far in masterclass. So we thought that would be a little bit fun. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of your entries. And as I said, that will start. The entries will open as soon as at the end of this video, and also make sure that you tag your posts. Make sure you say that it's a Christmas entry, because a lot of people are making Christmassy things. You've got to say it's a Christmas entry for the competition, and we will have a look at them all and announce in a couple of days' time. So think about which masterclass project you would like to win as well. So it's been a busy month for us. It's been a bit of a sad month for us. You all know we have Disney and Pixar and Cheer, our 3 dogs, our 2 Westies and our Border Terrier. Our Border Terrier, very, very elderly girl, been with us her whole life. Unfortunately, she passed away at the end of November. So it has been a little difficult for us. If I've been a little bit quiet, to me it's like losing a child. So, but she had a fantastic life. She went out with grace and dignity, and we were all there with her. So it's hard not to get choked up, but hug all of your fur babies tonight for me, and celebrate little Cheer's life. So aside from that, I have been busy. I have been creating. I have created this. I actually designed this little bag just for myself. It's a very, very structured little bag. You know I love my fashion, but when I made it just for me, and then I thought you might all want it. So let me know in the comments, would you like the pattern and tutorial for this little bag? And I will also add a second bag to it with a little animal character, so you can make it for children as well. So anyway, let me know in the comments and I will get busy doing that. I am halfway through January masterclass project, which I'm super excited about. I'm really enjoying it. I know you're going to love it. Other news, my daughters, I have 2 daughters. I have Dallas, Texas and Memphis, Tennessee. Dallas has her own fashion line. Memphis is just starting her own fashion line. 2 very different styles, very, very different styles, very different girls. And we all, the 3 of us together, we get together and we just love fashion. Now I love thrifted fashion. I'm all into thrifting and styling up and upcycling and that sort of thing. So the 3 of us have got together and created an Instagram page where it's a place where we just have fun. So we get together, we get together, talk about fashion, we style up outfits, and it's all just for pure joy. So if you're into colour, because we're certainly colourful, if you're into colour and you like a bit of fashion, and especially if you like thrifted fashion, then come along and visit us on our new Instagram page. It is called Overdressed and Underpaid, but I will put the link down below so you can come and check us out and come and share with us and tell us what you think and what you think of our styling, and join the fun with us. So I'm very proud of my two girls, and it's a great way for us to collaborate and show our creativity. So looking forward to seeing lots of you there. In the meantime, everybody, I want you to have a fantastic creative week. Have a wonderful Christmas, and everybody stay safe, and remember to pay all of the good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.